Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will show you how to restore WhatsApp to Android phone in 2 ways. If you're interested, please keep watching. For method 1, you will know how to restore WhatsApp messages on Android. You need to back up your WhatsApp on the old phone with Google Drive firstly. Then, launch WhatsApp on your new Android phone. Sign into the same phone number. When backup found screen appears, tap on Restore and Done. Saved some WhatsApp chats on new phone and want to restore selective chats from Google Drive to your new phone without losing current chats. How to do it? If you want to get the answer, please follow method 2. For method 2, we will show you how to restore WhatsApp backup from Google Drive to Android with AppTrans. Run AppTrans on your computer and connect your new Android phone. Choose App Restore and WhatsApp Backup. Sign into your Google account. Then, choose a backup you want to restore. For the first restore, please download it before viewing. Choose Messages. Check your chats and click Restore at the bottom right. Next, click Restore and do the following 4 steps. Step 1. Back up WhatsApp on your phone. Step 2. Install WhatsApp custom version. Step 3. Give WhatsApp custom version the access permission. Step 4. Sign in and tap on Restore. When it has done, you can check it on your new phone. Thanks for watching this video. Your like and share are great encouragement for us. And please don't forget to subscribe our channel.